So it's come to my attention that in order to start a YouTube vlog, I need to start vlogging. What up, y'all? We're gonna go see the Airshow today. We're driving up to Melbourne. Slept a little late, so I'm hoping I don't miss any of the jets. I really want to see the Viper demo team, but I don't know. I'll see you when I see you.
2 hours later.
Well, we made it. I missed the F-16s, but we're here for, and I got the Growlers and stuff like that. See over there, there's the Angels. So, let's see what kind of shit we get. And the Corsair just ran out of Blue Angels now. Albatross go, Growlers. So let's get ready. Man, so that was a blast. They put on a hell of a show. Unlike last week, they had the full team. The Growlers were awesome. Man, that F-18 rips. But the Mustangs were dope. The Albatross is all right, but it was fun. So, looking forward to Miami. End of the month, that's the next one. And I'm just gonna head home. What's going on, guys? So we're back from the Airshow. All the pictures are edited, the videos obviously edited. So we're gonna go through those a little bit. This is the lens I shot on. It's not the greatest. It's a crop sensor, Sony 55 to 210, 6.3. You know, I got the picture I got, and I'm working with the equipment I got. That's kind of how it is when you're still trying to start off and don't have all your gear yet. But it is, you know, it was what it was. So I got some decent shots that I'm kind of happy with. So let's go through it a little bit. This first one's going to be of the Growlers. This was really cool to see. They did end up just right there on the speed of sound. And I was able to capture the plume cloud around it. And I'll put it up here right now. So that was dope. I like how the picture came out. I like the moody tones in the sky on the clouds. Again, with that lens, creative cropping. It's nothing I would print, unfortunately. It's a little too noisy for me. If I did print it, it wouldn't be anything bigger than 20 inches. But again, cool shot. It's continued on, and this one, which again, you want to talk creative cropping, this is like the bottom corner of the frame. But it was a cool thing. You get the cloud right there under the wings and everything like that. So I liked it. Composition, you know, everyone knows the rules of composition, but you know, everyone always says break the rules too. So it is what it is. And then a couple other ones was the Mustang down in the dirt. Right here, I just love how the frame gives it shows how far off the ground the Mustang is. Probably, I don't know, 50 feet, maybe. So really cool shot. Kind of went on a more less saturated edit on it, a little colder. So the cool thing about the Mustang was when it was diving down like that, you heard this whistling. You're like, what the hell was that? And come to find out later, it is the wind traveling through the gun ports. So it was really cool. I'll link the audio here in a second when I put the frame on. And then the Blue Angels came on. I actually ended up getting a lot of good pictures of them. This one, I just love the lighting in it. I love the level of detail. This lens actually did probably its best work on this one, where you can see the rivets. You can see the detail in the wings mechanically and stuff like that. So, I mean, the pilots, if I zoom in on the pilots' faces, you can see the wing guys in the diamond and the guy in the back in the diamond looking up at Lee, kind of following his cue. So it was really cool. If you haven't checked out the Blue Angels or Thunderbirds, highly suggest you do. It's precision flying. It's done at 400 to 500 miles an hour. I like the solos a lot, but the diamonds were really cool. And then I got the solos splitting. Speaking of them, that was a cool thing. I'm pretty happy I got this shot. I'm not. Again, limitations of the lens. It's going to be an overall theme when it comes to shooting air shows until I can upgrade my lens to something better and a full frame lens. But this one was cool, getting that sequence where they're coming at each other like that, and then passing and kind of rolling. The editing, I'm not too much of a fan on. I just did it to do it. Maybe I'll go through and re-edit them. We'll see. Who knows? But other than that, it was a fun day. Easy drive up to Melbourne. Easy drive home. It was fun. Upcoming, I got next week. I should have the bar video coming out, the bar vlog. So we went around, shot some promo stuff for my roommate and also one of my best friends. They're doing a pop up for charity with three of the really talented bartenders in the area, probably the best ones in the area. And then that turns into a whole other thing because we go bar to Sunset and Gators and then astrophotography with Iz. And it gets a little hectic. It's not going to be well put together, but it's all about telling the story, right? So, and then after that, this weekend I'm actually going down to shoot an Airshow in Miami. It's about an hour and a half south. So, should have some nice videos and cool content coming up for you guys. Thanks for watching. If you made it this far, appreciate it. Like, subscribe, do all that fancy stuff. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.